and good morning. Here I am, standard cup and tepid coffee, but God, it's strong. French style number 5 at a Morrison shelf. Does the trick, lots of caffeine molecules. Right, today, smoky eyes. Oh, I wish I'd actually prepped some of my makeup brushes a bit more than what I have. Right, so first things first, just going to go for a standard brown, black type thing. So, that was it. L'Oreal. Most pressed powders will work. So, don't need to go too close to the eye, the eyelid that is, because you're going to be putting black there. So you don't want to, it's a bit like baking a cake. You don't want to get too neat because you're just going to go over it. Right, so as you can see on both eyes, I've already done the highlighter white, which is on a previous video of mine. So what will happen is you've got the highlighter white underneath, so you get a graduation from light to dark as you build out. Right, you've all seen this before, hopefully. This is the Technique iridescent brown. So I've just blatted it on. It's very slapdash, but now, wrong brush. Remember, different brushes for different jobs, don't mix. So now this is a bit more of a refine. See it going in to the corner of the eye. And then blend in at the top. It's entirely up to you whether you want to do a rounded affair or go for a winged effect. But the premise is still the same, that you're attempting to do the smoky eyed look. So that's the brown down, and then again you want to create a graduation. So same again with the Technique iridescent white. So there we go. We're done on that one. So I'm going to do the other eye. Right, got away with, so I put some powder as a block underneath my eyes, stop the fallout. So, because when you go to using the black, it's going to be everywhere. Right, so just the gel black and a little mini brush. And what you want to do is just line the inside corner of your eye. That's all you're doing. So you get it nice and neat. I'm hoping my left eye will play ball today, because it has a propensity to water. So if you're one of these people that have watery eyes, just stop, keep working on different areas of your face and keep moving, then move back when it's tidied up, cleared up for a little bit. because the gel, MAC's the best one though. I use Revolution and a few other different, whatever comes out of Boots or my local makeup shop. Right, so that's the powder inside, and now we're going to move on to the aqua. Okay, now one of the reasons that you line the inside of your eyes with gel is because primarily we're going to use an awful lot of Kryolan Aqua Black. As the name implies, it's water based, and you don't want this stuff too close to your eyes if your eyes are going to leak. So I'm going to go with a rounded outside edge today. Again, this part you don't have to be too neat because we are going to blend out there we go. There we go. So that's the aqua down. Right, so this one just a straightforward black pressed powder from my local makeup shop. And we're going to really grind on that makeup now. So I'm going to use 3 different types of brushes. I'll quickly show you these. So I'm going to use a big brush, small brush, angled brush. You'll need all 3 of those if you're going to get this right. So just using the smaller brush at the moment, just to get into that lower lid. That's the one. Coming along quite nicely. Now, get that big brush. And start working up. Angled brush, because now we're going to go on the inside corner of your eye, and you want to have a little bit of finesse and fine detail in what you're doing. You just do not want to go in there with a big brush. You'll just end up horrendous. Been there, done it. Gone back to a medium brush. Just blending out. And what you can do, because you might lose a bit of definition off the blending line. There we go. I just put a bit more iridescent brown across the top there. And down into the socket line. There we go. Looking good so far. And then just build it up again. That's it. And then just a little bit of iridescent white just to smooth off the edges. Okay. There's just a little bit more refinement to go though. Okay. So, if you've gone for big smoky eyes, I think it would probably be a crime against humanity if you didn't have false eyelashes. So, just applying some glue here to a false eyelash. As always, apply to the false eyelash and some glue to your eyelid as well to improve that adhesion. And there we go. Now I've got it in place, back end of the tweezer, just to firm it down a little bit. It's starting to stick. And a little bit more glue. There we go. Okay, as you can see, eyelash hopefully glued down. So what you want to do now is just blend a little bit. So back with the aqua black, flat brush. I just used that brush purely for aqua. And then, so I'm just blending in and deepening down the depth of the black. There we go. Right, just swapping things around. Oh, God, losing things here as well as me marbles. Right. So again, just going back to pressed powder and blending out. Not too happy with the outside edge, so I'm just gonna, that's it, round it out a little bit more. Get the angled brush and just refine it. There we go. Now I'm happy. There we go. Oh, looking sexy. Definitely want to go out tonight. There we go. Looking good. So I'll do the other eye, and then at the end I will show you the result of everything with the hair done and both eyes done. Obviously I've got the lower eyes to do as well. That would just be a straight gel and lower eyelashes as well, which is on previous videos. So enjoy yourself on those. Okay, as you can see, all finished, made up, dressed up. Feeling glorious today. So smoky eyes are all finished. So that's the final product. Eyeliner, lower lashes, upper lashes. There's previous videos for that, so do check it out, and I'll see you all later.